Hello, ladies. How are you today? Happy Sunday. I wanted to come on here today and share a couple new products that I have that are new and a couple products that are new to me. So first off, we have the two Dior products. One is the Illuminator, and I have the color 06 Coral Glow, and I have the number the 659 early bird. Now Dior came out with two quads. One is called the early bird and the other one is called night bird. And this is what it looks like. Comes with two brushes. Just move those out of the way so you can see the color story. I do believe this is the, even though it's the early bird quad, it is the deeper shades. The other one has like blues and greens in it. It's really pretty. But played around a little bit with this, and I would like to share with you and get your opinion on this new quad. And if you are interested in seeing that, then please stay tuned. My name is Teresa. I go by the name of Bluelivin Beauty, and here we talk about all things beauty. We know that beauty is within, but we use makeup and other things to enhance our beauty on the outside. So let's talk about it. Let's share some beauty secrets, encourage each other, and let's be makeup friends. So I'm going to start out with the Huda Beauty Glowish, and I have the number 0810. And this is fairly new, and it's new to me. I have used it a couple times, so this will not be a first impression. This is okay. I've tried several products like this summer, and I think they all go on nicely. You can see that luminous glow that it has. And it gives a nice finish under your makeup. It's very lightweight. It's not sticky. It almost feels like a primer though, that gives you a little glow. I think I have worn this on its own. Probably added just a teensy bit of concealer because I always use a little concealer under my eyes. So the next product I am going to use is a concealer, but not really. So Lancome came out with the Tint Idole Ultra Wear All Over Concealer. Now, this is the 460W, Suede W, which is the same color I wear in the foundation. Do I have the, yes, that I wear in the foundation is the same exact thing. I think this is nothing new. I think it's it's very good. They make a very good foundation, and I think they just put it in a concealer bottle and called it just that. Now, you know, I didn't think about doing this before, but I'm going to show you. I'm just going to put a little bit on my face so you can see that. Oh, it's not pumping out. Is it stuck? Oh, there it is. Okay. Just try to do it that way. There's a little piece in there. Okay, so I'm just going to put that there. I got this big old glob on my hand. And I'm going to put the concealer beside it. This almost looks a little bit warmer, but it's the same. Okay, I'm going to try this. I'm going to show since I have the product on my hand. Yeah, they're the exact same color. And I'm just going to put the foundation over here. Now that I have them side on my face, there's no difference, which is okay. I am okay with it. Now, I do wear this foundation in the summertime. It is a little warm, and I lean toward wearing neutral, golden neutral shades. So this is nice, but usually I will have to put a lighter foundation. Concealer. Have to, I can't really use it as a concealer, but what I can do is use it for a quick, no makeup type of 5-minute look when I'm trying to hurry up and just look a little put together. I will put on some concealer, do my brows, and then I can be out the door. It really looks pretty under or over the Huda Beauty Glowish though. I like that. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay. I've had this for a good little while, a few years or more, so it's like, well, I just have a fresh foundation in that same shade. So let's go ahead and do some brows. I am using the Milani products today. I have used the pencil before and it was okay. It is a little softer than I remember, but I'm always trying to find brow products that will work. And if I can find more affordable brow products, then I'm all for that. I am still loving the Huda Beauty brow pencil. It is still running neck and neck with my ABH. So I also have this other, it's like it's called Weekend Brow, but it's eyebrow tint, and it's almost like the tattoo brow, and has the real fine point, like almost like a eyeliner marker, and it is to make hairline strokes. And the thing about this, it makes the hair-like strokes, but it is very soft, a soft brown. I don't know, just kind of, it's not what I'm looking for. It doesn't work as well as the Urban Decay. The black is too light. Let me show you what I am. The Urban Decay pencil, the brow blade. Now, I don't know if you'll be able to see the difference, but this looks more like strokes to me. But I have to be careful with this brow blade because it can make my eyebrows look too dark because it is black. Dark Drapes is the name of this. And what is the name of this one? Medium brown. So maybe I need to get a darker one. Okay, let me put this back down, put the caps on. Yes, I didn't put any brow gel or any of that on there. Just wanted to do some brows to try this eyeshadow on. This is, I played around a little bit with it, but it is a first impression. I don't really typically like to do that because I want to see how it wears on my eyelids. I do have oily eyelids, and I have been having a lot of trouble with staying power for my eyeshadows lately. So I'm not going to prime them. I'm going to see how it will work out. So this quad does not have names. It's just called the Early Bird palette. So the individual shades does not have names. And these four are shimmers, very soft shimmers. And this is your matte shade. And if you can see, there is a hard area, big hard area right there. And when I tried it on the first time, I noticed that. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that, if I'm going to call the company and see if maybe my palette was defective or what. So I'm just going to start out this shade. This shade, it doesn't even show up. So I don't know if I'm not picking it up. I don't know. You can see it on the brush, or if it's just that light, but it's not even picking it up. So I thought I would do two different eyes so you can see the color. See the color? Okay. So that was that shade that's not showing up. So I don't know if it's very light taupe, almost same as my skin color. I guess you could use that as a no makeup shadow. Okay, so next I am going to go in with this burgundy shade, and I did wipe my brush off, so I am going to go in with that. And these are like a powdery cream color, and Okay. It's a powdery cream formula, and it only has a 6-month shelf life. So I'm going to put this burgundy here in the corner. It's very soft and satiny. Very pretty shade. It is very shimmery as well, but it's a soft, very soft shimmer. I don't know, can you see that? Very soft shimmer. I'm going to take this Esom brush. Oh, this is not Esom brush. This is a Sephora brush. And I am going to take the middle pink shade and go over it. So if you want a lot of depth in your eyeshadow look, I don't think you're gonna get that with these shadows. It's Lori's Life. She put up a review of the other quad, the Nightbird. Check hers out and you will see that her shadows did show up on deeper skin, but it's very soft and subtle. All right, so that was those two with this as the base. So I'm not going to use that matte shade on this eye. I'm just going to go in with this purple, clean this brush off. I guess you could use this as a soft, smoky purple look, purple shadow. It's very pretty. It almost has a pink shift to it. See reflection of pink in it. It's very pretty. And then I'm going to take this last shade here. I'm going to use this little rougher brush. This shadow is powdery yet creamy. That is really pretty, y'all. and it's really pretty. So I am going to take that matte shade and just to clean up and blend this line. Yeah, that shadow, something's wrong with it. So what I would like to do is go ahead and with my number 18 Pat McGrath. You know, I do have Dior concealer. Let's stick with Dior. Okay, so the skin corrector, Dior skin corrector in 4.5N. I'm not sure if this is going to be light enough to, yeah, maybe so. I'm thinking this will brighten my eyes. Gonna just go ahead and use this Beauty Bakery. Okay, so we are going to use a few more Dior products. We're going to use the Dior All Over Face Powder. And then we're going to go in with the Dior bronzer and the number 6. I wish I would have got a 7, but I didn't. It's all right. Yeah, I'll still be able to use it in the winter time. Okay, so we are going to test out this illuminator, and I purchased number 6 Coral Glow, and this is what she looks like. It's very pretty. It's very, you can see the gold shimmer in it. It's very, not real glittery, like chunks of glitter, but you can definitely see it. So, let's see. I'm going to put on a blush first, so you can see it over a blush. And I'm going to use my Hermès Rose Apricot. I wanted the new blush, but I would have gotten the coral one. And I have some coral blushes, so I just couldn't justify it, all of that. So it's like, okay, you're fine. You don't have to have every coral blush out there. So I didn't get the blush. So I am going to just tap over it. Use this mirror a little closer. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I almost feel like leaves a little texture. Make your skin look a little textured, doesn't it? It's very subtle. But you can definitely see it over the blush. So I have to play around with this a little more, but that is a first impression. Hope you guys can see that. Those are my new products for today. Thank you for hanging out with me. Now, I have a challenge, a tag coming out that I haven't done yet, but I haven't forgotten. My YouTube friend, makeup sister, Photona Hope, has tagged me in doing a bingo eyeshadow look, and I will be getting that up very, very soon. But thank you. I'm just going to throw on a little pillow talk to complete my lips, to complete the look. And I'm going to see you next time. You guys have a good night. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until the next time, bye.